This video's for you. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to use Suno Voice and how to avoid the biggest mistake people are making right now. Ready? Let's dive in. Suno personas are now voices. It lets you use your real voice. To start making your voice, open your Suno screen and click Create. In the Creation section, you'll see Audio, Voice, and Inspo. Click on Voice. When the Create Voice screen pops up, click Create Voice. This brings you to the voice input screen. You have to read the consent and check the box, and then you can either record your voice, upload your voice, or select a voice that's already in your library. For this tutorial, I'll record my voice. You can avoid a big mistake that people are making, where their clone and their song don't match. You'll get a better clone faster if you sing in the style of the song you want Suno to create. When you're recording, be in a nice quiet room and sing as clearly and as best as you can. After you've recorded about 30 seconds, the record light turns green. You can stop recording and click Done. Listen to your audio, trim it if you need to. If you want to re-record, click Start Over, otherwise click Use Voice. Now Suno will have you read something that it puts on the screen to verify your voice. If you're having problems verifying, make sure you speak in the way that's similar to what you recorded for your clone. If you made the clone using a weird voice, make sure you read the text using that same weird voice. Now tell Suno what kind of a singer you are. When I'm not clowning around, I actually can hit the notes and don't sound bad, so I usually pick intermediate for mine. Just experiment and see what results you like the best. Now it's time to save our clone. All you have to do is give it a name. If you want, you can add a style tag and a description. I sang in a soft rock or soft pop style, so that's what I put under tags. And then you can read the consent and click Save. That's all there is to it. Now let's put that Suno voice clone into a song. As soon as you finish, Suno adds your clone to the creation screen. If it's not there, click on Voice and choose your clone. Now add your lyric and style to make a new song. If you want to add your voice to a song you already have made, click the three dots to the right of the song, go to Remix Edit, and use Style and Lyrics. It won't make an exact copy, but it will make a new version of that song with your voice clone singing it. I left all of the extra options just at their default settings. I didn't add exclusions, I didn't pick a gender, and I didn't change any of the sliders. It gave me a good starting point, and I can go in and fine-tune there later. Then I gave it a title and hit Create. I think that the results came out pretty good. I'd love to see what you think. You've been listening to me speak this entire video, so let me know if you think the song sounds like me or if it sounds completely different. Here's a sample.
ABC, you gotta live like me. Yeah, ABC, that's the way I